Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit, fine, healthy and studying at your home. Dear children, before starting the class, firstly we will do the prayer. So, be ready for prayer. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Let's start the prayer. Oh my God, I love thee. Oh my God, all for thee. Help me do study well. Almighty God, make me a good child. Yes, dear children, tell me what is day today? Very good, today is Saturday. Do you remember what we do on Saturday? Yes, Saturday is our activity day. Yes. We have done different activities in previous videos, in previous day. I hope you must have enjoyed these activity. Okay. So dear children, our today's activity is based on colors. Do you like colors? Yes, very good. So our today's activity is based on colors. We can say this activity thumb painting activity. Okay. Today we will do painting with the help of thumb. And we will make a beautiful flower with the help of thumb painting. Yes, very good. So dear children, things which we have required in this activity. First one is, here you can see, drawing sheet. Yes, first one is drawing sheet. Okay. Second is watercolor. Yes, do you like watercolor? Very good. Second is watercolor. If you want to use brush, so you can color brush and water. Yes, these are the required things in this activity. Yes, dear children, here you can see things which we have needed in this activity. Drawing sheet, pencil, watercolor, eraser, color brush and water also. Yes, here you can see in this bowl, what is in it? Yes, water. Here you can see. So these are the things which we have needed in this activity. Okay. So pay attention. So dear children, after that you will apply the color on your thumb. Yes, like this. Here you can see like this. Okay. Then completely you will apply like this. Here, then after that put this thumb impression on the paper like this. Yes, like this. Similarly, which color is this? Yes, very good. This is a red color. Then similarly you will put green color. Okay, you will put green color on your thumb. Yes, like this and apply it on the paper like this. Yes, yes, first color is green, red and second one is green. Yes, do you like these colors? Very good. After that you will put which color is this? Yes, this is blue color. After that, you will apply blue color on your thumb with the help of brush as you wish or directly you can. Yes, then apply it on the paper like this. Yes, similarly, you will repeat. Next color is, yes, again we will put red color on the paper. Yes, I hope you must have enjoyed this activity. Again we will repeat red color. Okay. Next one is we will repeat. Which color is this? This one is blue. Yes. Then we will repeat green color. Okay. This is green. Yes. Yes. Now we will apply here. Yes. Which color? This is yellow color. Yes, this one is yellow. Now, next color is, which we applied here. Yes, next one is green. Yes, this is green. Okay. Similarly, you will repeat. Next one is, yes, next one is pink color. Okay. Yes, dear children, you can apply color on the cap of the bowl. Okay. Here you can see I applied the color on this cap. Okay. Now, like this you will make it. Okay. Dear children, you can use different color which you have. Okay. Yes, dear children, after that you will draw outline like this. Here you can see. Yes, after that you can draw outline. Yes, like this. You can use different sketch pen. Yes, which you have like this. Yes, dear children, similarly you will do it. Okay, and you will draw each and every thumb impression. You will cover it with what? With color pen. Okay, like this. After that you will draw lines like this. Yes, 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 like this, and draw the pencil. What we are doing here you can see it makes a beautiful flower. Yes, after that draw a line with sketch pen on it like this. You can use different sketch color. Okay, like this, like, yes, like this. Here you can see I used different color. Yes, I used different color, different sketch pen for making this border. Okay, for making this border. Here you can see. So you have to use different colors for making its border. Okay, understood? And here you can fill the color like this. Okay, you can use any color. Now here you can draw double line also like this. Here both the colors should not be same. Okay, if you will use here pink color, here you will use different color like red, yellow. Yes. So similarly, dear children, you will make this thumb painting. Okay. Here you can see this is a very beautiful flower. Okay. We made it with the help of thumb impression. Okay. So similarly, you will make it on your drawing sheet. So dear children, this is your today's activity. Okay. Top of the page you will write activity, and right side of the page you will write your name, class and roll number. Okay, and send this activity in my personal number. You can make video and click the photo also and send it in my personal number. Yes. Now after that, yes, I will tell you what are the merits of this activity. Okay, so now I will tell you what are the merits of this activity. Yes, first one is your concentration power will be developed. Okay, because when you make it, your concentration should be on the paper, so your concentration skill will be developed. Okay, your motor skill will be developed. When you are holding the pencil, you are applying the colors on the paper, so your motor skill will be developed. Okay. Next one is your thinking skill will be developed. Why? How your thinking skill will be developed? Yes, when you think which color I should apply here. Yes, so that time you have to think which color I have needed. Yes, so yes, this flower your creativity also develop. Yes, this flower if you want to make beautiful, yes, that time you will think it, how can you make it beautiful? So that time you will think, so your thinking skill will be developed, your creativity will be developed, your motor skill will be developed. Now dear children, how can we make it more beautiful? Yes, so with the help of this thumb impression we can make different things like butterfly, fish, tree. Okay, so now we will make these. Okay, so dear children, here firstly we will make butterfly. So like this, one thumb impression here, then other one is here, then other one is here. Okay, then next is here, and next is here. Okay, after that like this one side and like this here. Yes, this is butterfly. Okay, this is butterfly. Now here we will make tree. Okay, like this one, after that here this is tree. You can join each and every one like this.